guys, in this video I'm going to be installing the Mabett black and brown seat covers. They're a nice quality Napa leather. The center panel is perforated and the upper portion by the shoulders is a contrasting brown color. These are another great product by Mabett. Starting the installation, the seat bases do have a specific orientation. There is a Velcro panel on the inner side of the seat base. Make sure you have that pressed down and attach it to the side of the seat. Your seat cover may come with a metal retaining clip on this strap. It makes it a lot easier to install if you remove that clip first. You want to feed the strap down here in between the edge of the seat and the cushion. And then do the same thing on the other side of the seat cover. Grab the two straps and feed them down in between the gap in the back of the seat. On the side of the seat, take this molded plastic piece and push it down inside the seat casing. And then using the included trim tool, press down the seat cover into the gap. Behind the seats, reach underneath and pull down the four straps, the two short ones and the two long ones. Take your trim tool, pry open a clip and slide it over the strap. I found that this was the absolute easiest way of putting them on. It makes it a breeze. And do exactly the same on the other side. Then reach underneath and clip the two together. Moving to the front of the seat, pull the strap underneath and then slide it through the buckle. Go through the top hole first, down through the second hole and then pull it tight. And then repeat the process for the second strap. For the next step, you need to remove the headrest. Grab your seat back, in this case it's the passenger side, and unzip it. You need to add two retaining clips to the straps on the seat back. As you can see, sliding that trim tool into the clip really makes it easy to install. And do the same for the second strap. These three black plastic discs maintain the tension of the seat back when it's installed. Recline your seat slightly and then it's easy to slide on this new cover. The covers are very pliable, so you can easily slide it around the headrest mounts. Just take your time and be gentle, you don't want to rip the cover. Once the cover's in place, refasten the zipper. Reach under the seat for the straps with the hooks you installed earlier, and clip them both onto one of the supports underneath the seat. Smooth down the front of the cover, and then slide the three discs into the opening between the top and the bottom of the seat. You're going to push the discs in and make sure they're at 90 degrees to the seat base. That tension is what's going to stop the seat cover from moving around. Next up, put on the headrest cover. There are three different types of headrest cover, so just make sure you pull the one out that's for the front headrests. And to seal it up, pull the Velcro flap and push it underneath the back of the headrest. put the headrest back in place. Your first seat is now complete. This view gives you an idea of what it looks like compared to the OEM leather. This really is a nice quality kit. Mabett have done a really good job of making this not look like a seat cover at all. And now follow the same process for the opposite seat. So again, place the Velcro strip on the inside of the seat. Slide the straps through between the seat frame and the cushion. Do this on both sides of the cover. Push the straps through the back of the seat. Underneath the rear of the seat, pull through the 4 straps. Add 2 more retaining clips, one on each side, and then clip them together. Push this black plastic clip into the seat casing, and using the trim tool, force the rest of the seat cover down into the gap. At the front of the seats, pull the straps through, push it through the top hole and then down through the bottom hole, and pull it tight. And do the same on the other side. Remove the headrest. Recline your seat and then slide over the upper seat cover. And just be careful when you push the headrest mounts through the seat cover. Take those clips on the seat back and attach them to one of the rails underneath the seat. And moving on to the second headrest, just slide the cover over it. Slide the Velcro flap underneath the back of the headrest. You can now reinsert the headrest. And same as before, slide these black discs into the gap between the upper and the lower seat. Make sure they're perpendicular to the seat base, because again, it's that tension that's going to stop that seat back from popping up. And don't forget to do up the zipper on the side. Moving to the back seats, it's a very similar installation. There's no Velcro to worry about, but you do have to slide the cover over these bumps in the back of the seat. There's no Velcro on the single seat either. Reaching under the seat, you'll see there's a couple of straps that you've had to pull through. Then you're going to pull that tension cable onto one of the supports underneath the seat. Feed those straps through the buckle, again through the top hole and down through the bottom hole, and pull it tight. Pull that tension cable and clip it into one of the seat rails. Fasten the remaining straps and pull them tight. The rear headrests have a button in the side of them, so you need to make sure that the headrest cover lines up with the side with the button on it. And just like we did on the seat backs, we need to feed the cover around this button. And do the same for the other headrest. This center headrest is a bit more of a pain, but just take your time and you should be able to install it fairly easily. And just press down the Velcro to seal it. Now for the main seat back. On the double seat side, you've got to unzip it first. Unclip the seat and pull it forwards. Slide the seat back cover between the seat belt and the seat. You can pull the seat back all the way down and slide the cover around it. There are several Velcro straps that you need to pull through and fasten to the carpet on the back of the seat. They do stick to themselves, which is a bit annoying. You have to keep kind of pulling them through, finagling them a bit, but they do work and you'll get them through and get the seat nice and taut. Once you have the Velcro straps fastened, you can zip the seat back together. Put the seat back in its original position. Moving to the single seat, it's a very similar process. Undo the zipper, slide the cover over, pull the Velcro straps through, fasten them down, and zip it back up. And of course, don't forget to feed the headrest mounts through the cover. And push it back up into its original position. Reinsert the 3 headrests. This is a really nice quality kit. If you didn't know any better, you would argue that this wasn't an option from the factory. There is an elasticated armrest cover that comes with the kit as well. Just pull it over the console cover. There's a link to this kit and a couple of other kits that Mabett produces in the description below. Give me your thoughts on this kit in the comments below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.